GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, exercise number 9B, word count. It is how many words in particular file, that is counted, and it will print the result. Let's see the lab exercise. Exercise number 9B, implementing real-time or technical applications using file handling, word count. Aim to write a Python program to count the number of words in a file. Algorithm: step 1, start. Step 2, read the file. Step 3, split the word using split off function. Step 4, count the words and print it. Step 5, stop the program. Program. First, I is a variable which is initialized with the value 0. Next, f is equal to open off. The file is opened. So that is a path I have given. Inside the f colon a.txt. Okay, that is read mode. Next, data is equal to f dot read off. First it is readed and it is stored in this variable. Next, data dot split off. This split off function is very important. It will break the string into a list. Then only we can count it. So it is stored in lines. Then lenof function is used. Based on the length, it will count one by one. And it is stored in I. The next, print number of words in the file. Print I. It is counted and it is stored in I now. That variable is printed here. Output is contents of the file. First you want to know, that is a.txt, file name Grace College of Engineering. After the execution, number of words in the file is 4. Let's see this execution part in Python. Before doing the program, you want to open the text file. Okay, so f colon I have given a my text file a.txt. Inside that I have entered the content, that is a Grace College of Engineering. Okay, after that only you want to write the program. Next, go to the start, type IDLE, enter. IDLE shell is opened. Now click file, new file. Here you can start typing I equal to 0. After typed, click the file, save. Then inside the Python, given the file name, count word, save. After saved, click run module. You got the output, number of words in the file, that is 4. You all know inside that AA file, that is a 4 words, right? Grace College of Engineering. Result: thus the Python program using file handling was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept of that is counting the contents. Okay, counting how many words in a particular file, and you got the output. Thank you.